So let's talk about two-step inequalities. Last video we talked about one step. Now we're going to move on to two-step inequalities. So you'll see in the top right, we still have our same steps, right? We're going to draw our line. We are going to box our variable. And you'll notice I'm using green. It seemed like a lot of you guys wanted me to use green. And we're going to do our inverse operations. So right away, this one looks a little different, and I'm going to switch to a different green. This one looks a little different because my variable is attached to this 2. But also, I'm taking this whole quantity away from the 9. So I still want this 9 to not be there. So I'm still going to do the inverse of positive 9, which is negative 9, because 9 minus 9 is 0. And I get 2 over here. But because of this minus sign in front, that's going to make this new quantity negative. So it's negative r over 2. I'm going to make a little adjustment here, and I'm going to move this negative, not the whole thing. I'm going to move this negative down. Oh my goodness. Let's try it one more time. I'm going to move this negative down to the 2. Just that, I think that's a little bit easier than us thinking, oh, the whole quantity is negative when we're really just dividing it by negative 2. So if I'm dividing r by negative 2, I remember that the opposite of divided by negative 2 would be multiplying by negative 2. So let's multiply both of these sides by negative 2. And remember, multiplying and dividing by the same number gets us 1, and 1 times r is just r. And 2 times negative 2 over here is negative 4. And that really weird thing that your teacher hopefully mentioned to you is that whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, you have to take your inequality symbol in the middle and switch it. So now my solution r is less than negative 4. So negative 4 is over here. And if I want things less than negative 4, I know negative 5, negative 6, negative 9, negative 10, negative 3, negative 30. Sure, those are all solutions, so I know I'm going to the left. And I can signify that by an open circle going to the left, right? Negative 4 is not a solution, right? This is not true. Negative 4 is not less than negative 4. So I need everything less than negative 4. Let's just do another one real quick. Again, box our variable, draw a line down our symbol. I can clean that up a little bit. And let's just do our inverse operations again. If I see this plus 10, hopefully the first thing I think of is minus 10, because 10 minus 10 is 0. Let's subtract 10 on this side as well. So I get 8 over here. And again, this quantity did not go away. So I'm just going to rewrite it. So I get 4x is less than or equal to 8. 4x means 4 times x, so the opposite here would be to divide. And I get this inequality of x is less than or equal to 2. 2 is right here. What are some numbers that are less than 2? 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2. So I have a pretty good idea that it's going to be going this way. That looks terrible. It's going this way. What about 2 itself? Is 2 less than or equal to 2? Yeah. Which means I'm going to put a shaded in circle at 2 to signify that that is a solution. And I'm going to draw my line going to the left.